In this situation, suppose that it is my father's birthday this month, and there are three possible options, including booking a party at a restaurant, organizing a party at home, and going on a trip. I believe that organizing a party at home would be the best choice for several reasons. To commence with, a home party feels warm and personal. Indeed, it allows us to celebrate in a comfortable place where my father can relax and enjoy time with family. Moreover, organizing a party at home helps save money. In other words, we can cook our favorite food, decorate the house, and plan fun activities without spending too much. In contrast, booking a party at a restaurant is not a perfect option because it can be expensive and sometimes noisy or crowded. Similarly, I think that going on a trip should not be chosen because it takes more time and may be tiring for my father. All in all, based on the above ideas, I suppose that organizing a party at home would be the best solution in this situation.